Hello children, welcome back to online class. So children, today I came with a new chapter as I told you. It is very interesting for us. All of you have read it in KG2, UKG section also, but here we will revise, okay? It is very easy and very interesting. We can do it with our fingers, we can draw lines, we can count. It is addition within 10, okay? The lesson name is addition within 10. So, here addition means putting things together. Addition means putting things together. For example, here 4 stars has been given and here 2 stars has been given. If we have to count it, what have to we do? We have to add these stars and in total we have to say it is 6. How we will add then? At first we will count these stars. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, here 2 more stars are there. 5 and 6. So totally how many stars, children? 6 stars. So here question has been arised. How many stars in all? Total 6 stars. We say 4 and 2 is equal to 6. All of you just do one thing. If you are feeling difficulty, you can cross lines here. Draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars. After that 1, 2. Now we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In total 6 stars. Okay. Otherwise you can do it with your fingers also. So here we write it. When we add something, some 2 numbers or 3 numbers, we have to put this symbol, this type of symbol. What is the name of this symbol, children? It is plus. What we say? Plus. Otherwise addition. Okay. So here as given, we write it as 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and read as 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So this symbol is called as what? Plus. 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 Okay. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 is an addition fact. Like that, here some apples has been given. At first we have to count it. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 apples. 1 and 2. 2 apples. Now we have to add it. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples plus 2. 4 and 5. So total, how many apples? 5 apples. So how we should write it? 3 apples means 3 plus symbol we have to put. Plus 2 is equal to what? 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In total how many? 5. Understood, children? Here as given. So children, now we came to this exercise. Look at here. It is like a revision for you because in UKG all of you have done this. So let us start, children. Here your favorite ones has been given. What are those? These are chocolates. So I know all of you love to eat chocolates. Now get ready to count the number of chocolates given here, children. So I hope all of you have taken your maths textbook, page number 62. Yes. So here 4 chocolates has been given. Here 3. Now we have to count it, add it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In total how many chocolates, children? 7. But we have to write the numbers here. So here 4 chocolates means in these circles you have to write the number 4, and here how many? 4 plus 3. You write it with your pencil. 4 plus 3 is equal to what? 7. Okay, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay, now here trumpet, just look at here, trumpet, we have to count it. Here how many, at first how many trumpets are there? 5. And here 4. If we will add it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So in total how many trumpets are there? 9. Okay, now these are bricks, sorry keys are also here. So look at here children, only one key is there, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So we should write 8. Now 1 plus 8 is equal to what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 keys are in total. Here already numbers has been given, we only need to write the answer. Okay, first one has been done for us. Here 3 plus 4, total 7 bricks are there. Now we have to count the carrots. So at first 5 carrots are there. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is already written. Here 2, 1 into 2 is already written. In total how much? You can count it children. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. In total 7 carrots. Now here scissors. Total first is 2 scissors, again 8 scissors. If we will add it means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In total 10 scissors. Here we all like this thing children. What is this? This is ice cream, our favorite ice cream, cone ice cream. So now we have to count it. We can't eat because these are only pictures. So let us children. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Total 10 ice creams are there. Okay children, now we came to the main part. Look at here. Here we have to add these numbers and we have to write it in these circles. First 3 I will do for you, remaining you do. In next class I will tell you its answers. Okay, so at first 8 plus 1, here 8 lines has been drawn and here only 1. In total 9. Like this we have to draw 5 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total 8. One, two, three, 4 5. 1 2 3. So how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In total it is 8. Now 4 plus 3. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many children total? 7. Now remaining you try at your home. In next class I will tell you its answers. But before that I had prepared some worksheets related to addition. I will give you now. You do it as your homework. Okay? Okay children. These are some worksheets for the addition lesson. you only need to, you no need to take printout of it or no need to draw these pictures. You only need to count it and write it in this box and write its answer like this. In your maths notebook, you only need to write this strawberries number, and for example I am telling, write 6 and here 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Like this only you have to write, no need to draw. Okay children? And here some more additions I have given you as your homework. I hope all of you can see it clearly. I have given you some additions within 10 only. So you do one thing children, in rough notebook you can draw lines and count it, and you can write its answers in your maths notebook. Okay? So that's it children for today. In next class I will come with these answers, and we will read more about addition. Okay? And different types of addition. Okay? Today we only learned how to draw lines and count it and add it. Okay? Until have a good day children.